Hello viewers, well-wishers and my dear learners. This is Kiron before you. How are you? I hope you are quite well and safe at home. I am also fine by the blessing of omnipotent God. In the previous class, I have discussed the definition of preposition. Now I am going to talk about the classification of prepositions. Let's start the class. Preposition is basically of 6 types, such as simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition, and finally disguise preposition. Okay, let me describe every type of preposition. Okay, what is simple preposition? Simple preposition is formed of only one word. For example, on, at, in, to, of, out, with, by, from, etc. Then what is double preposition? Double preposition is formed of 2 simple prepositions, and 2 simple prepositions express just one meaning. For example, onto, into, out of, without, within, etc. What is compound preposition? When prepositions are added before noun, adjective or adverb, they are called compound prepositions. Of course, you have to remember that be instead of by and a instead of on have to be used in the compound preposition. For examples, by plus side is equal to behind, by plus side is equal to beside, by plus sides is equal to besides, by plus for is equal to before, by plus beyond is equal to beyond, by plus twin is equal to between, on plus cross across, on plus long along, about is equal to on, by plus out, above, on plus, by plus, up. Okay, that's all the examples of compound preposition. What is phrase preposition or prepositional phrase? Before knowing phrase preposition, you have to know what phrase is. 2 words or more than 2 words or a group of words make a phrase. For example, swimming in the river is good for health. Walking in the morning is good for health. A boat without a rudder, a man without a hat is dead. These sentences, swimming in the river, walking in the morning, a boat without a rudder, a man without a hat, these calls are phrase. 2 or 3 words make a meaning. Okay, but it does not work like a preposition. When we call a preposition phrase, when 2 words or more than 2 words or a group of words work like a preposition is called phrase preposition or preposition phrase. For example, on account of, that means because of, for 3 words are same. Okay, in front of, that means before. A young man is standing in front of me. Instead of in front of me, if I use before, what sentence will be? A young man is standing before me. Before just one before. Understand? More examples are given below. Okay, then what is participle preposition? When several past participle and present participle verb work like prepositions, they are called participle prepositions. For example, during, past, including, concerning, regarding, excluding, etc. Okay. For example, I would like to know about rain. Instead of about, I can use regarding. Like, I would like to know regarding Mr. Ryan. Okay, more examples are given below. Finally, what is disguised preposition? When instead of on and or instead of are used, they're called disguised preposition. For example, it is now 12 o'clock. O'clock, that means off clock. Okay, my uncle went hunting. I went fishing. A beggar went begging. Besides, some prepositions appear in the sentences. For example, I go to my native village a month. In a month, it's okay, but in is there in the sentence a month. Okay. Rice sells 50 taka per kg. Okay, 4 a kg is right, but 4 is there in the sentence. And that's all the classification of preposition. See you next video and best of luck.